Alright, so we are making it out today. We are finally doing a test and tune with my new DJI Action 4 camera. Have been trying to dial in the mic a little bit, but also this past week my wife's schedule has been crazy, so I actually haven't really been able to get out for more than like 15 minutes at a time. But today is the day. This weekend for you guys is going to be a packed full weekend of hopefully 3 videos out of 3 days. Let's see if I can do it. But going to run you through the camera a little bit more once we get to this dead end road that I actually really like. So let's jump on the bike and make our way there. While I've been trying to film this intro, I realized that there's an osprey nest right there, which is why it's so loud. Holiday weekend. Everyone is out. Alright, so decided to turn around and stop here to finally let that pickup get out of my way so this road will be more enjoyable. If everything goes right, you guys will have seen this clip yesterday. This will be Sunday. And then, yeah, let's jump back on the bike. Alright, so this is the spot. Beautiful overgrown road on the way in. This used to be a through road and they chopped it, so now it's just a dead end that no one comes to. But yeah, let's get to it. So the reason why I got the DJI over the GoPro is First off, just outright reliability. I've had issues. Every single GoPro I've ever had, I've ended up having to warranty, and I'm just tired of it. Like, it's just, I'd rather put effort in to getting the DJI a new system all dialed in and knowing that it's going to work and just get better and progress over the years rather than sit with GoPro. I always forget that I vinyl wrap this. I think it looks much better. The quick release is sweet. It makes it much easier to get it on and off because I always take it off my helmet. But another huge thing is the battery case. So everyone's seen this. It's sweet. Have memory card slot in the back. But the nice thing is, like Hooperville, I ran out of all my GoPro batteries by the time we were about to head back. So I couldn't charge them because you can't actually charge them while the camera is recording, as well as if you guys have the GoPro, you know that the charging case will not actually hold them. They'll just fly out and not charge. So this being able to charge on the bike while I'm out for a long day, let alone the batteries last so much longer, is such a huge plus to me. One thing that I'm getting dialed in now, which I didn't realize getting it, is the DJI records audio more like a digital recorder, which means you have the adjustability of the gain and what microphone and adapters you use make a huge difference. So right now I'm trying to get my mic dialed in. I have the new Sennheiser ME2 in there. The reason why I picked this microphone is because the max SPL decibel is from a 110 with a Rode Go mic to now 130 with this mic. That helps the distortion of the exhaust notes when you're revving it higher, and hopefully not having the exhaust just kind of peak out and just get distorted and terrible. So I'm going to end this one here. It's been fun getting out, testing, tuning, but I need to get home and make sure all this audio and footage actually turns out right. And with that being said, I'm going to jump back on the bobber, make my way home, and I will see you guys in the next one.